Hi, I'm Rick, and welcome to Holy Shit, It's Nature! This is Season 2, Episode 1. It's called Holy Shit, It's the Top of a Mountain. I've got some information for you that I never did disclose before. You might not know this, or have noticed, I actually am a woman. It was around 2013 that I discovered that I was a woman. Heh, I'm just fucking with you. I am all man. This fucking mountain's treacherous. Now, if you remember the last video, I remember saying it's always good to have yourself a good walking stick. Sometimes a bad walking stick's better than no walking stick at all. Try this. This'll do. Fuck that, this thing's rotten. It's always good to take a break, especially when you're climbing up a fucking mountain. Got my water here. This time, a backpack of Slim Pickens. Got a towel. There's food, I think. Brazil nuts, and one apple, and a DJI Mavic Mini drone. So I'm gonna try to take some drone footage at the top of the mountain. Can't eat it though. Breaks over. Still getting steeper. Still getting steeper. Well, this is the last stretch, and it's pretty damn treacherous. No cars or trucks beyond this point. I don't think you want to wreck a transmission with one anyways. Going off that shit. Holy shit! As soon as you get to the top of the mountain, and if you haven't yet, it's always good to let some gas out so you don't float away. Like this. The Brazil nuts taste okay, but the after smell leaves something to be desired. Well, I'm gonna make it easier to get down the mountain just by running. Like this. Oh shit! I got no brakes! Oh good. Because the master cylinder was shot. Look at these huts or whatever at the bottom of the mountain. Kind of like wooden igloos. Well, it's all in a day's fun. Till next time.